Hey everyone, it's me, JJ, or John, the Magisterium one. I'm doing a quick update on Winter Storm Stella. As I stated earlier in my earlier clips, it fizzled out for New York City. I mean, we got like 6 inches of snow in Manhattan. It might be a little bit more in the park. I don't know how they measure all that stuff, but as you can see, the streets are passable. There's a little bit of traffic going on. People walking around and doing their daily chores. And you see a bus over there, an NYPD unit patrolling over here. The plows have been coming by regularly, and it's snowing lightly. So I just thought I'd give you a little clip showing you what it ultimately turned out to be. There's some snow coming down. It's a little windy and a little chilly, but we missed the big 18 to 24 inch snowstorm that they were calling for. With that said, this will probably be the last one for Winter Storm Stella. And there's the bird's eye view of what's happening in New York City right now. There's the M104. Regular vehicles, taxis moving about, civilians, pedestrians, you name it. And there's my friend Courtney. Hey! She's going to get something. Look at her running in there. Oh, that's hysterical. Alright guys, that's about it. Let me go back to my fire buffing duties. The radio's calling.